How to fix Google Gemini app not working in Android and iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to discuss about fixing the Google Gemini app issues on your Android and iPhone. So now let's get started. First and foremost, I want you to restart your phone or tablet to fix temporary problems. This is also going to fix all the glitches, bugs, and help restart and run the app smoothly on your device. After that, you need to check your internet connection. Use a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data signal, or try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data and see if that resolves the issue. Now, update the Gemini app from your phones or tablet software to the newest versions. If you're using Android, open Play Store and search for Gemini application. And if you're using iPhone, you can go ahead, open your App Store, and then search for Gemini. If you see an update button instead of open, simply tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. After this, go ahead and tap and hold onto this application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to Account Info. Go to Storage. Then click on Clear Cache in the bottom. Come back, try uninstalling the application. And if you're using iPhone, you can go to Settings, then go to General, go to iPhone Storage, and then upload or reinstall the Gemini app on your device. Now, allow the Gemini app to use your camera, microphone, and location in the device settings. Also turn off battery saver mode and VPNs, as this can cause issues. And see if the Gemini is available in your country. And if not, you can use a VPN, and connecting it to a supporting country might work. So if the problem continues, you can contact the Google support for assistance. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.